Hello folks, so today I am back with this amazing AI agent that I have created for HRs, and with the help of this AI agent, HRs can automate, leave processes and inquiry whatever their employees ask them. So without any delay, let me show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp AI agent will work, and for that you can see inside my WhatsApp chat when I will send this particular text hello, you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will get triggered instantly and it will send me this message, hello again, how can I assist you today? Now I just have to ask some question from this AI agent and then we will check how this WhatsApp AI agent answers me. So you can see here is the knowledge base with the help of which I have created this particular AI agent. So inside this one knowledge base, I have added some questions, whatever my employees can ask me. So you can see when I will ask this particular question from this AI agent will reply me with the same response that I have written just below this particular question. So you will see that inside this chat, I will paste this question, and when I will send it here, and here you can see my WhatsApp AI agent will reply me instantly and it has sent me this particular message which is exact same to what I have added here. So I will ask one more question, and this time when I will copy this question and when I will paste it inside my chat, and you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will automatically reply to me, and here it has sent me this exact same message. Now with the help of this AI agent, whatever responses that I have added inside this particular knowledge base, and when any employee will ask me any question, then this AI agent will reply them instantly with the help of this knowledge base. So you just saw how useful this WhatsApp AI agent can be for HRs. Now I will help you to create this amazing WhatsApp AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to start creating this AI agent, we have to go on a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. And after that, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And here on the right corner, you can see you have got these two different options, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing automations. And as I am an existing user, so I will click on this sign in button. After that, you will see that I have got directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. But before this, let me share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members. Here individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you, I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video. So you can join our community from there. And now I will go back to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here you can see Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow. So I will click on this access now button. After that, you will see that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And when you are inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this plus add WhatsApp number button. And you can select any of these two given methods, WhatsApp connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that we will add separate videos in the description box of this video. You can go and check out those videos there. And after you have added your WhatsApp number, to create a WhatsApp AI assistant, you have to click on this AI assistant features on this left side here. And then you can see this is the exact same WhatsApp AI agent that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So before starting to create a new AI assistant, first of all, I will deactivate this particular AI assistant. But before deactivating this AI assistant, first of all, we have to go on this inbox and we have to deactivate this AI assistant from this particular chat. So I will select this status as open, and then I will click on this save button. And now I can go back on AI assistant, and from here I can deactivate my AI assistant. So I will deactivate it, and after that I will click on this add AI assistant button to start creating a new AI assistant for myself. So I have clicked on this here, and now I have to give a meaningful name to my AI assistant. So I will give a name to my AI assistant as this WhatsApp AI for HR, and then I will click on this add AI assistant button. After that, we will get directed on this particular window, and here we have to work on these 4 following steps: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and this is styling. So let us start with this AI instruction. So first of all, for this instruction type, when I will click on this drop down, you can see all of these instruction type are available to me, but I will select this AI agent because I want to create an AI agent for myself. And from this instructions box, you can see inside this particular box, role and constraints are given for our AI agent. So these role and constraints decides how the AI assistant should respond to users. And this must include the key information like audience, purpose, and style to customize the assistant. And if you want to add anything else inside this particular box, then you can add that by typing down that particular text manually. And we will move towards this AI configuration. So you can see for this temperature, the 0.5 has been set automatically, and this temperature sets how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So that's why to maintain balance, this 0.5 has been set automatically. And for this select AI to use, I will click on this and I will select this OpenAI. And for this model, I will select this GPT-4 Omni. And then for this API key, you have to click on this hyperlink given here. And after that, first of all, you have to log in inside your OpenAI account, and then you have to click on this create new secret key. And after that, I will give a name to my key as this, and then I have to click on this create secret key, and here our secret key will get generated successfully. So I have to copy it from here, and then I have to paste it inside this particular API key box, and then press this connect button, and here our API key is saved successfully. Now you can see for this AI assistant settings, we have got these 5 different options: header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempt, and fallback message. So if you want to use any one of them, then you just have to click on this particular button to turn them on. And then you can see for this header, I can enter the header inside this particular box, and after that particular header will be available for us. But as I do not want to use this, so I will just turn it off from here. So if you also want to use this footer, then you can turn on and use this. And you can see for this stop keyword, I will turn this on, and inside this particular box, I will enter this keyword stop and then press this enter button, and here this stop keyword is added. Now with the help of this stop keyword, whenever any employee will type down this stop keyword inside the chat, then this particular AI assistant will stop replying to them. But as I do not want to use this, so I will turn it off from here. And you can see inside this retry attempt box, I can give retry attempts to my employees in the range of 1 to 10. So as I do not want to use this, so I will turn it off, and you can see this fallback message, and this message will get delivered to your employees whenever the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So with this, we have completed the setup of this AI instructions. So now I will move towards this knowledge source, and for this knowledge source, we have to upload a file inside this particular box which must be less than 90 MB, and the accepted formats are .txt and .pdf. So you can see here inside my Google Docs application, I have already created this knowledge base for myself, and inside this knowledge base, I have provided all the details about my business. So now I just have to download this knowledge base from here. I will click on this download, and then I will select this particular .txt format, and then I have to click on this save button. After that, you will see that my knowledge base has been downloaded successfully. So now inside this page, when I will click on this downloads, I will drag this knowledge base from here, and I will drop it in here. And after that, you can see my file has been uploaded and processed successfully. So now we will move towards this assistant's interface, and for this interface, you can see inside this heading name, I can enter the name of my brand. So I will enter this name of my brand as Pabbly, and this is how the name of your brand will look. And for this display subheading name, you can see this particular text is written here. So this is how your display subheading text will look to you. And you can see this initial message, this one message has been already added. So if you want to add one more, then you just have to type the particular keyword and then press enter button, and here this keyword has been added successfully. And you can add only 2 initial message inside this particular box. And you can see this powered by Pabbly. So if you want to deactivate or inactivate this, then you can select it from this drop down here. And privacy policy, this is actually a hyperlink which you can create by typing down the text inside this particular box and pasting the link inside this particular box. And for this user's first message, you can see this I need help is written. So if you want to change this, then you can also change it, but I will let it remain as it is. And then we will move towards our final step, this is styling. So you can see inside this styling, I can change the theme of my AI agent as this light or dark. I can change the shape of my assistant by selecting it from this drop down, or I can change the background color, or anything else if I want to, but for now I will let them remain as it is. And here, as I have successfully completed the creation of my WhatsApp AI assistant, so I will turn this on from here, and then I will click on this save AI assistant button. After that, you will see that my AI assistant is saved successfully. Now if you want to use this AI agent from your website, then you have to click on this embed button, and you have to copy this script from here and then paste it on your website. Then after that, this WhatsApp AI assistant will work from your website. And you can see with this, I have successfully completed the creation of my WhatsApp AI assistant. Now we just have to enable this particular AI assistant for any particular chat. So for that, we will go on this inbox here, and then I will select this particular chat, and to enable the AI assistant, I will click on this button. After that, from this drop down, I will select this particular AI assistant which I have created, and then click on this save button. And here you can see this WhatsApp AI assistant is now enabled for this particular chat. Now if you want to enable this AI assistant for bulk of your customers, then for that you just have to go on this settings here, and from here you have to click on this inbox settings, and inside this page you have to scroll down to the bottom. After that, you have to click on this button enable AI auto replies. After that, from this contact list drop down, you can select the contact list for which you want to enable this particular AI assistant. And if you want to enable this for all of your contacts, then you can simply select this all contact, and from the second drop down here, you have to select that particular AI assistant which you want to enable for your chats, and then you have to click on this save button. After that, you will see that this particular AI assistant will work for all of your contacts that you have selected inside this particular list. So now, as we are done with creating this AI assistant, so we will go on my WhatsApp account, and there we will check again if this AI assistant is working properly or not. So I will go on my WhatsApp account, and in here, when I will send this particular message hello, my WhatsApp AI assistant will get triggered instantly, and hereafter it will send me a welcome message, hello, how can I help you today? So now from this knowledge base, I will ask some more question from this assistant. So you can see I will just copy this particular question from here, and then when I will ask it from this particular AI assistant, this assistant will reply me instantly with whatever text that I have written just below this particular question inside my knowledge base. And here it has sent me the same message. So now I will ask one more question. So this time I will ask this particular question. Then after that, you will see that this assistant will again reply me with the same text that I have pasted just below this particular question. And here I have again got this particular response from my AI assistant. So this is how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp AI assistant to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit this particular website. So now what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account with Pabbly Chatflow.